Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carpet shampooer that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the FOLEX Instant Carpet Spot Remover. FOLEX works so well, you could fool us into thinking it's magic. A few dabs into a stain and it begins to disappear. For most stains, there's no need for laborious scrubbing or reapplication, it's just that good. FOLEX doesn't need to be rinsed, but we recommend gently rinsing any cleaner with water to make sure all residue is away. It can be used on both carpet and upholstery and is safe around kids and pets. The one downside to FOLEX is that as well as it works on stains, it doesn't eliminate any type of odors. So, if you're using it to tackle a particularly stinky mess, you're going to want to follow up with another cleaner with an enzyme-based formula to make sure the smell is gone. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bissell Professional Stain and Odor. This Bissell spray cleaner is Carolyn's top recommendation for removing both smells and stains. When it comes to eliminating odors caused by urine, vomit, and other accidents, you'll want to look for a carpet cleaner that has an enzyme-based formula. The enzymes in the solution essentially eat bacteria causing odor. This is especially important with pet urine stains, because if animals smell urine, they'll continue to go to the bathroom in that same spot. But this Bissell cleaner is good for so much more than just pet stains. It has professionally packed power to lift stains from food, drinks, and other liquids. Bissell recommends to cover any particularly tough stains with a moist towel for 12 to 72 hours after spraying to ensure everything is completely eliminated. At number 3, we have the Arm & Hammer Extra Strength Carpet Cleaners. If you've ever moved into a home with a carpet that smelled musty, smoky, or soiled, then you know how difficult those odors are to get out. When you need to clean your entire carpet or rug, you'll want a shampoo like this that can penetrate the entirety of the fibers. This Arm & Hammer formula mainly consists of baking soda, a cleaning queen, but it also includes a few other ingredients like OxiClean to lift all that dirt and grime to the top of the carpet. You can either sprinkle and leave it for a few minutes to work its magic, or, if your carpet needs a truly deep cleaning, get a clean, dry brush and scrub the formula in gently. As mentioned before, use powders like this sparingly so as to not damage your vacuum cleaner. At number 2, we have the Bissell Pet Power Shot Oxy. This Bissell foam formula was designed for pet stains and odors, but it works well on just about any mess you might make on your carpet. The oxygen-activated formula quickly works to lift stains and odors within just 1 minute of application. Because it works so quickly, we'd recommend only using it as a spot treatment shampoo instead of an all-over shampoo for your carpet or rug. Also, this powerful formula should be suitable for most rugs and carpets, but it shouldn't be used on wool or other delicate fibers as it can lift the color out of the rug. And finally at number 1, we have the Bodhi Natural Dog Odor Carpet Powder. As far as natural and plant-based formulas go, some can fall short when it comes to effectiveness, but that couldn't be farther from the truth with this Bodhi Dog Powder. It's great for both spots and stains as well as all-over deep cleaning, though you'll want to use sparingly as with any powder. Cat owners will especially appreciate the formula as it uses ground corn cobs instead of baking soda, which can be used in some litters and can actually lead cats to soil on cleaned carpets and rugs. The formula is also gentler than baking soda-based powder solutions, so those with extremely delicate carpets or rugs will most likely have luck with this product. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.